Coming from Bihar, I've had this OG Sattu Sharbat literally every single day in summers. Today, this drink has gained its own popularity because of its high nutritional value, but the way my mom makes Sattu is next level. Let me show you how. She takes kala chana, jaw, wheat, dried corn in 3:1 each proportion, wash them and sun dry them for an hour. Then she gets them sand roasted in a traditional way, and finally its powder is made in an atta chakki. And now to prepare sattu sharbat, take a big bowl, add sattu, chopped onions, chopped chilies, chopped dhania, black salt, roasted cumin powder, regular salt, and boiled raw mango pulp, which will protect you from sunstroke. Add a lot of water and mix everything nicely with the help of a wooden blender or any blender that you have. If needed, add more water and salt to adjust the taste and consistency as shown in the video. Lastly, add some lemon juice and stir it well. And there you go, you have made yourself a highly nutritious sattu sharbat. Serve it in a glass of your choice and garnish it with some chopped onions, chilies, dhania, and roasted cumin powder, and it's ready to enjoy. Okay, bye. Amchuro or Ampanna, a staple summer drink best known for hydration and prevention against heat stroke. Now for this summer drink, we take some raw mangoes and wash them thoroughly. Now in a pressure cooker, add the raw mangoes, water and cook until 2 to 3 whistles on medium flame. Once boiled, transfer it into a bowl and peel off its skin. Add water in the bowl and mash the raw boiled mangoes and extract the pulp and mix it well. Add some more water to make a runny consistency as shown in the video. Then add some black salt, roasted cumin powder and some chaat masala. Mix everything nicely and serve it in a glass of your choice, garnishing it with some roasted cumin powder and coriander leaf. And it's ready to enjoy. Okay, bye. गर्मियों में लीची सिर्फ खाओ नहीं पियो भी आओ बताती हूँ कैसे सबसे पहले टेक सम फ्रेश लीचीज peel off its skin or cover and de-seed all the lychees nicely. Now transfer the pulp in a blender and add some soaked goond katira, some sugar, some pudina leaves, some ice cubes, black salt, chaat masala and water and blend everything nicely till it mixes well. Now take a glass of your choice, put some ice cubes in it and pour the drink in the glass, garnishing it with some soaked chia seeds and pudina leaves and it's ready to enjoy. Okay, bye. नींबू पानी और लेमनेड ये तो गर्मियों में हम सभी ने पिया होगा और ये हम सबकी फेवरेट भी है बट टुडे लेट्स मेक इट इन इवन बेटर वे in a blender add some lemon juice lots of ice some soaked goond katira pudina leaves some sugar chaat masala black salt and some jeera powder mix everything nicely in a blender now put some ice in a glass of your choice pour the drink into it and serve garnishing it with some soaked chia seeds and pudina leaves and it's ready to enjoy okay bye. Mangoes, the best thing about summers, and this has its own huge fan following. So today, let's make mango shake or mango drink. So to make this, take your favorite mangoes and scoop out all its pulp. Pour the pulp into a blender along with some chilled milk, ice and sugar and close the lid nicely. Now blend it till it's very smooth but runny in consistency. Now serve it in a glass of your choice and garnish it with some pudina leaves and it's ready to enjoy. Okay, bye.